Hi all, this is Marli Bluetooth speaker. I disassembled the old one because you see it is tear down. So before throwing it away, like all other things that I try to do myself, let's try to fix it. Because I did order what is needed in order to fix it on AliExpress. Let's see. How do we fix this guy? So first thing, I'm just tearing out all the old piece of connection between the speaker to the frame. Okay. After doing this, I think it's a good thing to clean it a little. Something like this, and I have the glue that I had before. Let's see if this fits. Look, so gentle everything here. You see there are two pieces here. They sold me two pieces. I try to understand how it goes. Okay. Let's hope that the glue is still effective. This is an old glue. Almost impossible to take it out. Maybe I need a needle or something to try to fix it better. Probably this is the last time it can be done with this glue. Why work so hard? Something like this, and then just need to put it in its correct place. Okay, as you can see, very gentle. It's not an easy task to do it. Okay, and there you go. This is how it looks. Already almost dry. The glue is almost dry. Almost. Okay, as you can see, looks good. So that's all. Thank you and bye.